Schools are connected to organizations and resources in community, to formal and informal partnership and working relationships. These partnerships between schools, families, and community organizations can improve results by strengthening schools and improving their power to help young people succeed, improving transactions for young people across developmental levels and learning environments. Building the capacity of parents and community organizations to support young people in development. Preparing young people for college and for career development. Of course, for strengthening neighborhood and entire community in simplest terms. So what are the ways families connect with schools? Current research reveals that there are many different activities that connect families and schools. Often these activities are quite different from each other, yet they are attached together with parent involvement or school's family connection. Some researchers emphasize activities that take place at the school at the definition of parent involvement, such as parental incidents at school events and participations in parent-teacher organizations or PTOs. Other influential activities that take place in the home that support students' achievements, such as parental homework help and discussions about school issues between parents and children, and of course, still other include abstract concepts, abstract other intellectual and abstract behaviors that parents' aspirations about child education. Several authors have developed frameworks for understanding the various types and components of parent-school connections. And of course, as American sociologist Mr. Joyce explains, is in his research paper that published that research have been adopted by many practitioners, most notably the National Parent-Teacher Association, known as the National PTA of the 1998. Epstein's framework outlines the 6 dimensions of parent co-relationships. So these are the type 1, parenting type 2 communication, and so on. So we are going to discuss comprehensively the types. The type 1 is parenting, which is assisting family with parenting skills and setting home conditions to support children as students, as well as assisting schools to understand families. Type 2 is communicating, conducting effective communications from schools to home and from home to school about school's program and students' progress. Type 3 is volunteering, organizing volunteering and audiences to support the schools and students, providing volunteer opportunities in their locations and at various times. Type 4 is learning at home. It involves the family with their children on homework and other curriculum-related activities and decisions. Type 5 is decision-making, including families as participants in school decisions and developing parent leaders and representatives. Type 6, collaborating with the community, coordinating resources and services for community for families, students and the schools providing services to the community, cataloging. These kinds of activities is a useful step. But more work is needed to capture the variety of forms that a family schools connection can take and create a common language in the field. The variety of definitions makes it difficult to compare studies in models of parents' involvement to one another. They also make analysis the finding of multiple studies and challenges for participations and the practitioners. This lack of clarity may lead to difficulty in making judgments about what kind of activities to implement, how to implement them, and what results to expect from this kind of work. Thank you for watching the video. Hope we'll meet next.